Check out this Model A here at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1930 Ford Model A sedan, and I believe Deluxe, looks like. For our Model A experts out there, chime in the comments. Let us know down below. Underneath the hood, inline 4-cylinder, that 201 cubic inch L head. Now this particular Model A has been in the same family for quite some time, handed down grandfather, father, what have you, and they just decided it was time to part with it. They weren't driving it enough. Runs and drives, we've had it out and about in our frontage road and around the lot. It does have a patina kind of finish to it though, if you look at the paint, which to me in these old Model A's, sometimes when they're all shiny and fancy, they just don't look right because you think of how old and how long they've been around. So sometimes ones with patina show a little wear here and there. Sometimes they're the cool ones. Look at this too, dual side mount spares. Of course, the 3-speed manual transmission. And again, there you can kind of see the patina on the paint. Chrome also has some aging to it. Front bumper. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you call us 507-386-1726. And here and there on the fenders, you're going to have some spotting. One of those, get in, drive it, have some fun, go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, just out for a cruise. I guess kind of a neutral sand-colored cloth interior. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Looks like a little homemade trunk out of wood on the rear of it. There's kind of some spotting over here in this fender too. These are all steel, obviously, so all steel car. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. There's rear seating area also. Let's pop this open. So plenty of room. Want to take a friend or grandkid, family member. How cool is that? Opens up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. We'll also take a peek underneath the hood. So there's a couple gauges, temp gauge and oil pressure gauge that's been added. Of course, your choke is over here. There's a gas shut off underneath the dash you need to know about. I have that on. I'm gonna turn the key on. Of course, the starter up underneath the dash a little ways. Fires up pretty easy. Turn the idle up just a tad. Kind of cool to see that oil pressure gauge come up. Just make sure we're in neutral. Sounds like a Model A to me. No doubt about that. Very distinctive kind of putter at idle. Let's see, which one do we want to open? I'm going to pause this a second. Let's open up one of these sides of the engine bay. Check out the engine, wrap this video up. There it is. Inline 6. 201 cubic inches. Just purring right away. 1930 Ford Model A sedan. Call us 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. Take you right to our still pictures website. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1930 Ford Model A. This is a 3-speed on the floor. Shifts very nicely. On the column is an aftermarket blinker that does light up when you turn the blinker on. This is a very smooth running car. Just turn on the fuel. If it's cold, you pull out the choke a little bit, push the starter button on the floor, and she fires right up. Idles nicely. Our wiper on the windshield does work. That's electric. The amp gauge is showing above 0, which shows charging. Factory fuel gauge is showing half. Speedometer showing 40 right now. Water temperature gauge, aftermarket, under the dash, showing about 130. And the wheel pressure is showing 35. Very original seeming, original looking. A little bit of patina. Letting go of the wheel, she does stay nice and straight. There's little if any play in the steering, which makes it easy to drive. Let's take her around the roundabout. See how it corners. You get a little bit of gear noise as you're going in, but that's practically normal. Just let the RPMs come down. Corners well. Very nice running car. Take a look at all the pictures and all the details that unique classic cars back